Cast to the projector. Step 1. Set up Wi-Fi. Access the projector's Wi-Fi settings. Enable Wi-Fi. Note the selected Wi-Fi network name. Next, we'll cover screencasting methods for different devices. 1. For iOS devices. Method 1. Using AirPlay. Step 1. Connect your device and projector to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Cast using AirPlay. Screen mirroring complete. Method 2. Using eShare. Open App Store. Search for eShare. Select the iPad or iPhone version. Install it. Then open eShare. You can cast media to the projector. 2. For Android devices, casting with eShare. Step 1. Devices and projectors must connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Method 1. Download the installation package from the eShare official website. Method 2. Install from Google Play. After installation, open eShare and cast to the projector. Screen mirroring complete. 3rd. For Windows computers, casting with eShare. Step 1. Devices and projectors must connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Browse to the above URL. Download the Windows installer. Double-click to install. Select language. Wait for installation to complete. Then click Start Screencasting. The projector will display your computer screen. For Mac computer, use AirPlay. Step 1. Devices and projectors must connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Use AirPlay for screen mirroring. Screen mirroring complete.